In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see others in your Facebook stories, including those who aren't part of your friends list. Let's dive right in to explore this feature together, ensuring that you can keep track of who all in your audience is viewing your content. First things first, you'll need to head over to Facebook. You can do this by opening up the Facebook app if you're on mobile or visiting the Facebook website through your desktop browser. It's important to be logged into your account to access all the features we'll talk about today. Once you're logged in, look for the Stories section. On mobile, you'll find this at the top of your news feed, whereas on desktop, it's typically at the top right corner of your screen. Find your own stories. It's usually the first story with your profile picture on it. Give it a quick tap or click. Now, after clicking on your stories, you'll be able to view within your posted stories. Here comes the key step, finding out who watched your story. You'll want to look for an icon or a small text that indicates your story's viewers. On mobile, you'll usually find this at the bottom of the screen, displayed with small profile icons indicating the number of viewers, whereas on the desktop, it's shown towards the bottom right corner. Once you spot the viewer count, tap or click on it. This will open up a detailed list showing exactly who has viewed your story. Now, here's something noteworthy. Generally, you'll see the names and profile photos of your friends who have viewed your story. However, if you have chosen to set your story to be visible to the public, you might also notice a section labeled as Other Viewers. The Other Viewers section is where Facebook shows you how many people outside of your friends list have seen your story. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't currently provide the specific names of these users, so you'll only see a number representing them. This maintains a level of privacy for those viewers who aren't within your immediate social circle on Facebook. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of who has viewed your Facebook stories, including those who are not part of your Facebook friends list. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to gauge the reach and engagement of your stories beyond just your network. If you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy storytelling.